So welcome back to the Canadian Electrical Code Masterclass Series, OESC 2024. I'm Fabian from Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Tonight we're covering one of the most important topics in electrical safety, smoke detector and fire alarm code rules. We'll break down placement rules for smoke and CO detectors, inter- interconnection requirements, wired versus wireless, battery backup and power supply, fire alarm systems for multi-unit and commercial buildings. If you're an electrician, apprentice, inspector, or homeowner, this episode will give you clear code-based answers you can use in the field. Stay tuned, hit the like button if you're here live, and let's dive into OESC 2024, Section 32. Again, this video is for educational use only, so refer to then official Ontario Building Code. Always confirm with your local inspector or authorities for clarifications. And I'm going to be pulling up the code book. We're going to jump right into the code book. Again, as you guys come in, if you guys can like up the live stream. Also, if you guys can get me more than 20 likes tonight, that would be great, as we are going to be diving into the topic at hand here. And again, I'm going to pull up the Ontario code book here. I'm going to share my screen. So again, this is the basically section 32, fire alarm system, smoke alarms, carbon monoxide alarms, and fire pumps. Also says see Appendix G, and 3200 scope says see Appendix B, called fire alarm system, permanently connected smoke alarms, carbon monoxide alarms, and fire pumps required by the National Building Code of Canada. So it also goes on to um, so except as provided by Subrule 2, insulated conductors shall be copper and shall have an ampacity adequate to carry the minimum current that can be provided by the circuit. Optical fiber cables shall be permitted for use in data communication links between control units and transponders of a fire alarm system, as this ULC-5524. And optical fiber cables is one of those cables that I've seen before. Um, they mostly use it in commercial. I'm not sure if they use it in industrial also. Stranded insulated connectors with more than 7 strands shall be bunched in or terminated in connectors. Conductors shall have an insulation rating not less than 300 volts. Again, this is the fire alarm system. Um, uh, um, and shall not be smaller than number 16 into race rate. Number 19 gauge for individual insulated conductors laid in raceways. Uh, 19 gauge for integral assembly of two or more insulated conductors, and 22 gauge for an integrated assembly of four or more insulated conductors. Insulated conductors and cables shall be suitable in accordance with Rule 12-102, number 3, except that individual insulated gauge copper of the type selected in accordance with Rule 12-122. So this is basically sending you to this rule after you have read this one rule here. Wiring method. An insulated conductor of a fire alarm system shall be an insulated conductor of a fire alarm system type. That's a cable having a metal armor or sheet. Again, that's the trade name we call it is BX, aluminum sheeted cable is the name. Installed in rigid non-metallic conduit. Rigid non-metallic conduit is the PVC that we use on the outside. Um, Installing electrical non-metallic tubing. We're embedded in at least 50 millimeters of masonry or poured concrete. Sorry, I believe rigid might be the other type of conduit. Notwithstanding sub-rule 1, insulated conductors installed in buildings of combustible construction in accordance with the rule of section 12 shall be permitted to be non-metallic sheeted cable, fire alarm and signal cable, or installing a total enclosed non-metallic raceway. The insulated conductors shall be installed to be entirely independent of all other wiring and shall not enter a raceway, box, apply. A signal, an auxiliary device, or a communication circuit. All wiring of a communication system connected to a fire alarm system to extend the fire alarm system beyond the building shall conform to the applicable rules of section 60. An insulated conductor contained in the same raceway or cable shall be insulated for the highest voltage in the raceway or cable. Not going to go too much into the fire alarm. There's it's a whole different ball game. So equipment bonding. Expose non-current carrying metal parts of electrical equipment, including it says expose non-current carrying metal parts of electrical equipment, including outlet boxes, conductor enclosure, wrist and cabinets, shall be bonded to ground in accordance with section 10. So that means the boxes, metal stuff, section 10. Where a non-metallic wiring system is used, a bonded conductor shall be incorporated in each cable and shall be sized in accordance with Rule 10-16. So again, where a non-metallic wiring system is used, a bonding conductor shall be incorporated in each cable and shall be sized in accordance with Rule 10-616. lead, splice lead. So again, this is the fire alarm that it's referring to when it comes to the actual terminals. And then it goes on 32-108 power supply. The power supply to a fire alarm system shall be provided